emphasize the importance of taking care of your nervous system. Even if you have other health things going on, if you have Lyme, if you have mold, if you have headaches, if you have IBS, if you have multiple sclerosis, if you have any health issue going on, you need to take care of your nervous system. I had a conversation with a friend today, and my friend is going through a lot, and she has a lot of potential health things happening to her. And the biggest thing that we talked about today is that you have to take care of your nervous system. What do I mean by that? Your nervous system is your brain and your spinal cord. Your brain is responsible for everything that happens in your body. Your brain it's the power station. Your brain is everything. And your brain is regulated by and regulates your immune system, your hormones, your digestion, your heart, your blood pressure, your cells, your everything is regulated and impacts your brain. And your emotions and your emotional well-being is regulated by and regulates your brain. You have to take care of your nervous system. So if you're going through a health crisis, if you're going through an emotional crisis, if you're going through a trauma, no matter what you're going through, from the spectrum of just burnout all the way up to feeling like you're having a health crisis or a nervous breakdown, you have to take care of your nervous system. You have to take care of your brain. You have to take care of your emotional well-being. So often we are told to put our emotions, to put our feelings, to put our stress on the back burner and deal with what are called more important things, right? So I have people call me who are in absolute emotional crisis, who are asking if I can detox them from mold. Mold is an opportunistic infection. Mold is the great mimicker. If you are in an emotional spiral, if your nervous system is out of balance, if you have dysautonomia, if you have anxiety, if you have stress, you're not going to detox from mold as effectively as you would if you got your stress back on track. You got your stress under control. You have to work on your nervous system. So if you're listening to this video and if you've been wondering where to start, if you have high blood pressure or if you have diabetes or if you have ALS, whatever it is that you're dealing with, make sure that you don't neglect to take care of your nervous system, because that is an obstacle to healing for us. Our brains are regulated by our emotions regulate our brains, and our brains regulate everything from head to toe. That funny feeling of numbness in your pinky toe is regulated by your brain, just like the taste buds on your tongue and your temperature receptors. Everything is regulated by your brain, and your brain is regulated by your emotions. Here's an example of that. There's a disorder called dissociative identity disorder, where people will experience multiple personalities, and in that spectrum, according to NAMI, the National Alliance of Mental Health Associates, they have found that some people in a personality may be right-handed, and then they switch to another personality and they're left-handed. Some people in a personality have high blood sugar, and then they switch to another personality and they don't. We know the brain is incredibly capable of very quickly changing your entire nervous system response, quickly, in an instant. Your brain has power. Your emotional well-being has so much impact over your physical body. So even if you don't feel anxious, but you have pain in your body, you have to deal with your nervous system. You have to deal with your emotional well-being. So the question that often comes when I have this conversation with people is, well, what does that look like? What do I need to do? I'm in so much distress, I could not possibly sit down and meditate. Or I couldn't possibly go for a walk. I can barely get out of bed. And so we have to individualize your nervous system supports on what works for you. I teach on this, and you can look at my post, you can look at my Instagram, you can look at my website, look for the posts on stoplight strategies. Stoplight strategies, I have a whole bunch of things that you can start to cherry pick from and just start experimenting. See what works, see what sticks, see what lands. Start to support your nervous system. You can do this, you can get better. I just see so many people, and I love my patients, I love my clients, I love you, and I want you to know that you can get better, you can get your life back, but you have to take care of your emotional well-being, and you have to take care of your brain. Okay, so this is just a little love, a little rant. I'm Dr. Nicole Cain, and my passion is to help you get your life back, and part of that is to help you learn about the connection between your brain and your body. Okay, it's been such an honor. If you have questions, let me know. Send me a DM, leave a comment. I'm here for you. We have tons of resources, tons of free resources. Just click on the link tree in the bio, and then you can look at all of the cool stuff that we have going on. Babes, there's so much free information in there. Get started. Just start cherry picking. See what works. You can get your life back. Take care of your brain. Take care of your nervous system. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I honor you. I love you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Bye.